Good morning and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Strategy is expected to post mixed financials for the second quarter of 2025. The company is projected to report more than $13 billion in unrealised gains for Q2 2025, driven by its massive crypto holdings. In stark contrast, its core software business is forecast to generate just $102.8 million in revenue. Financial market bets rose that the Federal Reserve could start interest rate cuts as soon as this month, after Fed Chair Jerome Powell asked if July was too soon to consider rate cuts, said he can't say, but that the decision would depend on the economic data. Oil prices edged higher as investors took stock of positive demand indicators, while also treading cautiously ahead of an OPEC Plus meeting to decide the group's August output policy.
The sterling dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair edged lower in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.